Welcome back to Trendz TV, where the road meets innovation and the future of driving comes alive. Today, we're diving deep into a fresh evolution from the four-ring brand now the 2026 Audi Q3. This compact luxury SUV has been a fan favorite for years, and Audi just raised the bar again. The 2026 Q3 isn't just a facelift, it's a statement, refined with tech-forward engineering, updated design, and elevated comfort. Buckle up as we explore every inch of this new beast, from aesthetics to performance, inside and out. Exterior now, let's start with what grabs attention first. At the front of the 2026 Q3, Audi's signature single-frame grille returns, but this time it's bolder and more sculpted. The octagonal shape is now more pronounced with the gloss black finish and honeycomb texture that screams athleticism. The matrix LED headlights are sharper and sleeker, sweeping back like blades, and come with Audi's animated light signature that gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. The lower bumper is redesigned too, with sharper angles and integrated aero vents that actually serve functional purposes in cooling and airflow. There's no chrome overload, just clean, aggressive design that's refined and modern. From the side profile, the Q3 maintains its familiar proportions, but look closer and the updates shine through. The shoulder line is more muscular, with pronounced wheel arches housing new 19 and 20-inch alloy wheel options in a variety of finishes. The roofline gently tapers for a slightly sportier look without compromising rear headroom. Audi added subtle sculpting along the doors for a more dynamic appearance, and the flush-mounted door handles now lend a more premium touch. The C-pillar is thicker and carries a floating roof design element that helps the car feel more coupe-like. The overall stance is confident, premium, and unmistakably Audi. Swinging around to the rear, the 2026 Q3 features a wider, more aggressive posture. The taillights are now OLED units and higher trims, complete with customizable animations and a touchy flex that's uniquely Audi. A redesigned rear bumper features integrated exhaust surrounds, a purely aesthetic, but cleanly executed and a contrasting diffuser element that gives the SUV a sportier, grounded feel. The rear hatch opens via gesture control, and the badge placement has been tightened up for a sleeker look. Overall, it feels like a more grown-up Q3, one that's embracing performance-inspired design with genuine elegance. Interior. Slide into the interior, and you're immediately met with the kind of refinement Audi is known for. The 2026 Q3's cabin is minimalist, but luxurious. The center of attention is the new 11.9-inch curved touchscreen, which integrates seamlessly into the dash and runs the latest MMI software. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below it, physical climate controls are gone, replaced by a capacitive touch panel, though it offers haptic feedback to reduce frustration. The driver gets a 10.25-inch Virtual Cockpit as standard, with a larger 12.3-inch display available on higher trims. It's fully customizable and crisp, offering nav, media, and performance data all in your line of sight. Material quality across the board is excellent. Soft touch surfaces, Alcantara accents, and optional matte wood or brushed aluminum trims elevate the feel. The seats say now available with massage and ventilation functions are both supportive and stylish. Audi's ambient lighting system gets a major upgrade with 30 color options and animated sequences to welcome you into the cabin. Rear seat space remains generous for the class, with plenty of leg and headroom even for taller passengers. The rear bench slides and reclines for added comfort or cargo space flexibility. Speaking of which, the Q3 offers around 23.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to over 48 cubic feet with them folded, solid for a compact SUV. But what's a good-looking SUV without the power to match? The 2026 Q3 brings subtle but impactful changes under the hood. Buyers can choose from a range of powertrains, starting with the 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, now tuned to produce around 201 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque in the base 40 TFSI trim. That's paired with Audi's 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and quattro all-wheel drive as standard, giving it confident grip and sharp throttle response. The 45 TFSI version steps it up with 261 horsepower, launching the Q3 from 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds, putting it near the top of its class for performance. Performance for those leaning toward efficiency. Audi introduces a new mild hybrid system in select trims, using a 48-volt architecture to smooth out engine start-stop functionality and add a little extra push during acceleration. While it won't turn the Q3 into a hybrid SUV, it does help improve fuel economy slightly and offers a more refined stop-and-go experience. Speaking of ride quality, Audi's done a fantastic job balancing comfort and sport. The Q3 soaks up rough roads with ease, but doesn't float out. The steering is precise, and the chassis feels agile for a crossover. Adaptive dampers are available on higher trims, adjusting in real time for a more dynamic feel when needed. Tech and safety are also front and center. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Step-up trims add adaptive cruise control with lane centering, a surround view camera system, and Audi's excellent park assist. The Q3 also now supports over-the-air updates, meaning new features can be added even after purchase, another step toward making this SUV future-proof. So what will this updated luxury machine cost you? Pricing for the 2026 Audi Q3 starts around $39,000 for the base 40 TFSI premium trim. Mid-tier premium plus models come in around $43,000, while the top-spec 45 TFSI prestige trim climbs to about $49,000. Add in options like the black optic package, upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, or sport suspension, and you're easily north of $52,000. But for what you're getting, a tech-rich, premium experience in a compact footprint, it's hard to argue against the value proposition here. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Audi Q3 is no mere update, it's a reinvention of what a small luxury SUV can be. Audi has managed to blend style, functionality, and performance in a package that feels more expensive than it is. It's premium without being pretentious, sporty without sacrificing comfort, and packed with just the right amount of tech to keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're upgrading from an older Q3 or stepping into the brand for the first time, this new version hits all the right notes. Thanks for joining us on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this step dive review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane car content, and let us know in the comments what car you want us to feature next. Until then, stay fast, stay curious, and we'll catch you on the next ride.